Hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. I hope you guys are doing great today. In this video of Facebook marketing, I'm going to teach you how to create custom audience using page events. Yes guys, page events are very useful, or you can say very crucial thing in order to create your own custom audience so that you can do your remarketing, retargeting, right? So let's directly get into my Facebook account and learn how to create a custom audience. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm in my Facebook account and here I'm into audience section. As you can see here, this is the audience section, right? You just have to go to on all tools. In all tools, you'll be able to see this audiences section, right? Now, once you are in audiences section, let me explain you that uh, what type of audience we are going to create here using Facebook page event. Basically, people who have visited our page, people who have interacted with our page or interacted with our post, liked our post or followed our page. So we'll be able to create, basically we'll be creating these type of audience, right? Who are engaging with our post, who are liking our post, who are following our page like this. So for that, we directly have to go to this create audience button. Click on this and click on custom audience. Once you click on custom audience, here you will be able to see these options, these many options. So go with Facebook page directly, select the Facebook page in meta sources, right? Once you have selected Facebook page, hit the next button. And here you have the, as you can see, the Facebook page is already been selected. Now here you can set the events. And once you click here, you'll be able to see these many events like uh, people who have visited, basically not visited, people who have liked and follow your page currently, people who have engaged with your page, anyone who have visited your page, or people who have engaged with your post or ad, people who have clicked on your call to action, any call to action button, or people who have message you on your page, right? So these are the things you can use in order to create your custom audience, right? So right now we are going with the default one, people who engaged with your page. So select this one. Here you can set the retention rate, basically from last how many days you want to select, right? So you can go with 30 days, you can go with 60, 90, whatever the days you want, you can set it here. Max you can go up to 365 days, which means 1 year, right? So I'm going with last 30 days. So people who have engaged with my page in last 30 days will be in this custom audience list which I'm creating right now, right? Now here you can add the name of this audience. Let's say engaged with page, and here I'm adding last 30 days, right? So this is the name I have given. If you want, you can add the description too, otherwise you can leave it because it is optional, totally optional. Once you are done with these options, click on create audience and your audience has been created. Now hit the done button and you'll be able to see this engaged audience button, and now it is showing populating, and it can take a few to more than 24 hours as well in order basically to populate your data in this list. And this is the list which we have created earlier, and this is ready to use, right? But this is not ready to use right now. Once it's get populated, then you'll be able to use it properly, right? So this is how you can create your custom audience. If I show you once again, just directly go to custom audience, go select the page, hit the next button here. Now let's select another event, people who have visited our page. Let's select this one. Now here you can set the retention rate as well, and here you can name people visited, right? And I'm adding the date as well, last 90 days. So this is the name I've given. Now create, and boom, your custom audience has been created. It is also populating. So I hope you understood how to create custom audience using your page. And if this video was helpful, please like and share the video. Also don't forget to subscribe, and you can share this playlist, whole course playlist, whole Facebook marketing course playlist with your needy friends who want to learn Facebook marketing. So with that said, I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.